That's video. I got that on video. Come on. Come on.
You know what happens? They're gonna be here all night.
No, no, no. Don't put them so close. They won't come to mind.
Bite your hand.
George, you get rabies?
They're growling. Serious stomach problems now.
Come on.
One's gonna turn around and fart right in his face.
No, here they're coming. Here they come. Okay, don't do anything, guys, please. Come on.
Cute.
Oh my goodness. That's awesome. His face came right to the screen. Come on.
He's looking at you.
Look at that. It almost felt, it almost was like, I feel that, eh? What do you think, how drunk do you think I am?